Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a simple trick on how to make your teeth very white or super white when editing your videos on CapCut. Have you ever noticed this now? Whenever you make a talking head video of yourself and you try to edit it on CapCut, you notice that your teeth is a little bit yellowish and you don't want that to spread when you upload your video. You want to make your teeth look whiter so that when you upload your video you look presentable. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do just that using CapCut. CapCut is a video editing tool which is available on desktop and also on mobile, and I'm going to be using this talking head video that I'm currently making as an example. You are going to notice that by the time I finish editing this video on CapCut, my teeth is going to be a little bit more whiter and more presentable. So without too much talking, allow me show you how to do just that. To do the editing, you just go to CapCut. If you don't have CapCut, just download it from Google Play Store. Then you just go to new video and then you upload. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a simple trick on how to make your teeth very white or super white when editing your video. You click on add and then you go to edit, you scroll, you see retouch, then you go to face. You go to face and click on face here, then you scroll, and then you see whitening, white teeth. You just click on it and then you drag this down. I like to put mine at 50. So we just click on this check button and then let's check it and see how it will be. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a simple trick on how to make your teeth very white or super white when editing your videos. You can see that my teeth is a little bit. Have you ever noticed this now? Whenever you make a talking head video of yourself and you try to edit it on CapCut, you notice that your teeth is a little bit yellowish and you don't want that to spread when you upload your video. You want to make your teeth look whiter so that when you upload, so you can see that the teeth is a little bit whiter. So if your if your teeth is not as white as you want, you can still go back to it and then go back to that teeth whitening and just drag it up to the end. If you want your teeth to be very, 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 very white, so you can just drag it to the end and then show you how to do just that using CapCut. You can see that CapCut is a video. You can see that my teeth now is a little bit more brighter than before. It's no longer as dark as before. So that's just it. Editing tool, which is available on desktop and also on mobile. And I'm going to be using this talking head video that I'm currently making as an example. You are going to notice that by the time I finish editing, you just go to export. So once you go to export now, if you go back, you can go back to my YouTube channel and reverse to the front. Check the first video that I uploaded. You will see that my teeth is much more brighter now. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Video that in today's tutorial, I'm going to. That's just how to do it. It's a very, very simple trick. So I hope you have learned that simple trick on how to make your teeth whiter. If you go and check the first video which I uploaded, the first video where I introduced this video, you see that my teeth was a little bit yellowish, but by the time I finished editing, my teeth was now whiter. That is just how to do it. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make your skin smoother, or you make your complexion pop in your videos. I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you've not, you can also check the description for most of my course on e-commerce and every other thing. If you want to learn how to start your own e-commerce business, you can check the link in the description. If you want to learn how to write good copies that make sell your products, you can learn that. Check the link in the description. If you want me to partner with you to boost your marketing campaign, to create creatives for your marketing campaign, the link in the description, just check them out. And if you're interested in any of those things, just contact me and we'll work together. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.